What is good, y'all boy? It's your boy Justus back at it. Just got off work. You know, I got the PMC repping the name tag too, but yeah, so came home and guess what came in? Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so that's how the semi-pro look afterwards. Which ain't bad. This thing don't come with no instructions, but we gonna make it do what it do. So yeah. So finally got it on. Now part 2, let's get it. Yeah, so me and my dad just got done. We had to put some masking tape and some sealant down, so then make sure nothing can get under the 3M or whatever. I'll let y'all see that real quick. Not too bad. But that came out real well. Probably can't see too good, but the diffuser looks good. I'm pretty satisfied. I can't wait to get my Louver back because I was devastated, man. I was feeling real bad. But let y'all see, and I'll get a video tomorrow. So got it looking good. Yeah, so I'm satisfied, man. It came out looking good, and catch y'all in the next one, man.